Mrs. Ndide was the principal investigator for this project, Resilient Communities for Quality Primary Education in Uganda. When the NRM government introduced the universal primary education, very many parents abdicated their roles for their children in school. And because of this, we experienced poor performance in primary schools around the country. And one of the reasons was because the parents were not involved in the children's education. The Department for International Development supported the Department of Adult and Community Education in 2009 to 2012 to strengthen parental involvement and the community involvement in children's education in primary schools. However, because this project was foreign funded, there was no continuous funding to ensure sustainability. When the government of Uganda provided us this opportunity, we came in to take on and follow up on this project so that we can introduce sustainability. So the main objective of this project, Resilient Communities, was to introduce that aspect of resilience among the communities to sustain their participation in the children's education for quality primary education. So we adopted a participatory action research methodology together with the change agent approach. And we implemented this project in Mayuge and Nakaseke districts in a total of 6 schools. We worked with these change agents who we identified together with the community from within. They appointed them because they trust them, and we together reviewed the current debates, the current practices in parental and community participation in children's education, and together we came up with key messages that need to be spread among the parents and communities so that the children can be supported. These change agents were capacitated by way of training, which we did, and we developed the training manuals together with them, the training information together with them, and we commissioned them to start popularizing these messages among the communities and among the fellow parents. In this study, we realized that the key messages, which were 6 from the previous project, were all still pertinent and relevant. It is only that the change agents then were not using them. They had abandoned them, and they needed some kind of beefing up. So we beefed them up with current information that needed to be provided to the parents. But also 4 key areas emerged which were new, and that was the issue of male involvement. The men were not involved in their children's education. They were leaving it to the mothers. Then the environment at home, because a child needs to be warmly handled at home for them to concentrate. The aspect of teacher and parent collaboration, the relationship, and in the course of implementing this project, we were engulfed by COVID-19, and never like now, the parents are in a position now to use the materials while at home and also protect these children from pregnancy and so on. We have come to realize that the change agent approach is capable of building this resilience among the communities and parents to support the children. We came up with several materials which the change agents are using. As you can see, the handbooks for the key messages translated in Luganda and Lusoga, a mural summarizing the 10 messages, and training manuals alongside posters that can be used. 2 key aspects that We will be happy to share with the Ministry of Education and Sports through the policy briefs that we have developed. One is to emphasize the role of parents in their children's education. That is key in their performance. And number two, to strengthen the nexus between the child, who is the pupil, the parent, and the teacher. And of course, the link between the schools and the communities that host them. Thank you very much. That is what we have to give to you.